Hello everyone, my name is Rose. This is the update for the Stardew project pan, which is a project pan I created, and two other people are doing it. I forgot their names. I'm terrible with names. But I have a playlist with all the videos in the description box. It should be like right near the top. Cause like I made a playlist. I started a playlist right after the first video, but I never like linked it down below. So now I'm linking it down below. I'm trying to mention that I'm linking it down below. So all that is said down below. I usually try to fill out my description box pretty good. So there's that. Okay. So now I'm gonna update you on the products. I have two things rolling out. So yeah, first. I'll show you where I was last time with Penny, this Essence So Glow highlighter. It's actually in the picture. It has this and the lotion, and I'm just gonna talk about lotion right after this. But I hit Saipan! Woo! I hit gold. I used it 6 times. It only took, I think, 3 more times to. It was getting really hard to reach my finger in there, so I started using a brush, and this brush worked out pretty good. This is just a little Profusion double-ended brush that I got in one of the Profusion palettes. But this side is good for creams. Like, I use this wherever I need to use a cream eyeshadow. Like, this just blends creams really well. So I was like, okay, this will do good. So I used it, and now I have side pan. I kind of got some gunk like stuck between the pan and like the container, like in that little slit that I can't get it out of. Even tried like wiping it off with the brush, but I'm wearing it today. I used it with my finger today because I had already hit side pan. Now I can just. Now this is rolling out because that was my goal, to reach side pan. Next, I'll update you on the peach hand cream, which is for Robin. I used this 11 times, which is an okay amount. It's not. I didn't probably make that much progress. I don't remember what. But this is where I'm at. I was trying to get in the habit of using it every night before bed, but like that didn't happen, so yeah. But I tried to use it whenever I can remember, like at night. I usually use it at night before bed, but only when I remember. And I think 11 is pretty good amount of time, so like, yeah. There's that, and I want to finish this. I want to finish this, so I didn't get anywhere near close to finishing it, but there's that. Next, I'll talk about Clint, which was a silver polish. It's now an aquamarine polish, and it only moved that much. And I don't know if it will move again next month because it's getting thick again. And like I always find when polishes get down to like the bottom-ish, that I need to add more thinner more often. And I just use like the Sally Beauty Supply, their store brand thinner, which is only like $6 or $7, I think, for a bottle, and one bottle lasts me years. I'm about to run out, so I need to go to Sally's and pick up another bottle. But yeah, so I don't think it's gonna move again next month because I need to add thinner to it, and that will make it go up higher. And then I don't know, I'm gonna try to get more use out of this, but we'll see where it goes. Okay, next is for Elliott. I have this Sea Island Cotton Bath and Body Works scent, and I used it 20 times, which was my goal. I don't remember if what I said last time. I think I said I was either going to use it 20 or 30 times, and I'll decide my next update, and I use it 20 times, and I'm like, that's enough. I think this is slightly giving me a headache. If I don't spray a lot, like if I only spray like 2 sprays, I usually spray around 6 sprays, so I don't spray a lot of perfume or body mist. Or perfume and body mist is basically the same thing. I usually spray about 6 sprays, and if I only spray 2, then this is fine, so I can't do the whole 6. I think I like this better as a room spray. I think I'm gonna try to finish it off later on. Like, I don't think I'm done with any projects for the rest of this year, but maybe next year I'll put it in a project. Maybe Beauty A to Z next year. So yeah, I mean, I only have that much progress, that much gone from it, and that will probably take me 2 months. Like, I'm slow with fragrances because I don't know, I spray myself. It just happens. It's just slow. Like, do people just drench themselves in it? Do they just spritz everywhere and do like 20 sprays on their body? I don't know how people use so much. So that one's moving out. Now I have one more item to talk about before I talk about the 2 new items. This is for Shane. This is the all mixed up polish. My goal is to use it 10 times, which I haven't done, of course. I just added it last month. I used it 4 times. And I think by next update is what I hope to finish it. Not finish it, but get it out of this project. Because I only use it 6 more times. And I think I could do that. So, yep. There's that. Now let's talk about the 2 new items I'm adding in. Okay, first I'm adding in this gloss. This is the Wet n Wild Zodiac glosses. This is for Scorpio, which is my sun. I'm a Scorpio sun sign. I'm putting this in for Abigail because Abigail has purple hair, and this is like purple. My goal is to use it 20 times. And I have recently been reaching for this anyways. So how I've been using it is I have this thing that's in my Beauty A to Z, which is like the Stardew, like 2 swatches of this so I could show you what I mean. But this is Light Beauty Amuse Bouche liquefied lipstick in the shade Whip. And see, that's the color. It's like kind of peachy nude kind of color. And what I've been doing is I've been putting it like that, and then it basically makes it less orange and makes me be able to wear it with more looks, I feel. So yeah, I'm not wearing it today because I'm wearing a completely different lipstick. It's the be in the description box what I'm wearing. But I've been having like a bad eyeshadow day. I laid out so many eyeshadows to try to save this look, and I gotta choose this to a point that I'm okay with it. But yeah, so this is probably how I'm gonna be using it. I'm like, is it glaring or is that just my skin? I'm like paper, but not. So yeah, my goal is is to use it 20 times, which I think I can get through in a couple months. So there's that. And then next, and last but certainly not least, the other thing I'm adding in. Oh, I said that was for Abigail, right? Is this eyeshadow, which is on my inner corners right now. It's the yellow. As you can see, it's very bright. But yes, this is for Gus because I really like Gus. He's the saloon owner. I need not press so hard. the shadow is very soft. So, and I want to use this 20 times too. And this is just a nice shimmery yellow. This is from a brand called Angel Empire Cosmetics, who they changed their name, but they recently closed down anyways, so it doesn't really matter. They recently closed down because of bullying, and it's kind of sad because this was one of my favorite indie brands. But yeah, but this shade is called Hufflepuff. I picked it for Gus because he is definitely a Hufflepuff. I'm a Hufflepuff. He's definitely a Hufflepuff. I mean, he makes a bunch of good food. He has good heart. Like, the Hufflepuff thing is right by the kitchen, so they're foodies, all of them. I'm a foodie. I love food. But yeah, so I want to use it 20 times. This is what it looks like. This is what the back is. Doesn't say the shade name, but I know it because I got all 4 of her house ones, and I haven't used these that much, even though I got them last year, I think it was. So I've had these for like a year and haven't even used them that much. But yeah, it's just a pretty bright yellow, and I would like to use them. They're really soft though, so I need to be careful about not, because if I dip my finger in too hard, like, it will crumble out. Like, they're really soft. But yeah, that's what it is. I have it on my inner corner today. It's like really bright, and I really like it, so I'm hoping I can get some good use out of that, get some uses. I don't think I can do it in 1 month, but we'll see. So that's all the items that I have. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a comment down below, and bye.